So my truck is in for an MOT and service, which means I have to ride my 36-year-old motorbike to work today, which is about 70 miles in total. I look like crap because I've had no sleep, but this is going to be fun. Down the M40, around the M25, down the A316 into Twickenham. So yeah, wish me luck. So not only have I got to ride this bike to work for the first time, it's also actually the longest journey I would have done on this bike. So a little bit worrying, if I'm honest. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I didn't really have my hopes up, to be honest. I was expecting something to happen, but I think it was alright. I think we ended up getting away with it, and it actually went very well. So I just did a quick time lapse of most of the journey. You don't want to sit here watching me on the M25 for an hour. So yeah, most of it was just a quick time lapse, and then when I actually get to where I was going, I think you'll see how shocked I was. The bike performed amazingly, no issues whatsoever. It pulls really well. It's at 70 mile an hour, exactly as you'd like it to. So yeah, it was a good journey actually. I really enjoyed it. A little bit cold. It was about 3 degrees this morning when I ended up going, and yeah, I definitely felt it by the time I got to work. It's not an enjoyable experience on that front. The actual experience of riding the bike, really good. I'm really impressed with it. Right, jumping on the M40 now. Just flew down here onto the M25. Like I say, have a quick time lapse of all this. You don't want to sit here watching me on here for ages. From my destination now. Like I say, I was really impressed with the bike. It's a 1988 bike, 36 years old, and it just rode very well, no issues whatsoever. I was really impressed. I mean, when I get off the bike, I'm absolutely frozen. Like, so cold, my fingers are pretty much purple at this point. So yeah, I might have to invest in some heated grips or heated gloves, but either way I'm absolutely freezing. But yeah, you'll see that I'm pretty shocked actually when I pull over. I was kind of expecting the worst to happen. I had a little toolkit in my bag just in case, but luckily I didn't need it. She did it. She did it. Pretty effortlessly, to be honest, as well. It's way colder than I wanted it to be, and I now can't feel my fingers. But to be honest, that was actually a pretty decent journey. I was not expecting it to be as fun and as easy as that. Oh God, I need a cup of coffee now. Let's go get in the warm. As you can see, the journey home was very different. M25 was absolutely solid. It was more or less a car park at this point. So yeah, I got to experience a bit of filtering on this bike. which I've never done before. The handlebars are actually really wide on this, so it's a little bit hairy at times, but I think overall it was actually pretty good, pretty effortless. So I fought my way through the M25 traffic and I'm on the home straight now. I'm on the slip road and there's nothing in front of me, so I wind open the throttle, give it the beans just for one little blast before I get home. By the time I get home I'm absolutely frozen again. It was a little bit warmer at this point, it was still only about 5 degrees, but yeah, absolutely frozen. So I signalled to my missus, whack the kettle on, I'm going to need a tea or a coffee because I am absolutely frozen to the bone. But yeah, other than that, absolutely loved it. Such a great ride. I can't wait to get out in the summer and get some more trips done under my belt. If you're enjoying the content, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, and watch out for some daily shorts and some weekly videos. I'm really enjoying doing this, so I'm going to continue for as long as I can.